Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage tabletop TV on a stand with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x3 plate for our TV stand. We're going to flip this over, and right in the center I'm going to place a 1x2 plate and 4 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. Place these in these 1x2 openings to complete the TV stand. For the tabletop TV, start with a 1x2 brick with 2 studs. I'm going to place a 1x3 jumper plate where it's hanging over on the left hand side. Now I want to rotate this around and place a 1x1 brick with 2 opposing studs and a 1x3 jumper plate right on the top. Let's flip the assembly over. Right in the center, a 1x1 plate and a pair of upwards 1x1 by 1x2 angler plates. I'll place these on both sides. Here in the back, I'm going to place a 1x1 half round flat tile on both studs. This will give the back of the set more of a three-dimensional look, make it look more realistic. I'll rotate that back around. Then I'm going to crown off these studs here on the sides with a pair of 1x2 flat tiles and a metallic silver round 1x1 flat tile. And to strengthen up the bottom, a 1x3 rounded plate with 3 holes. Set that right in there. The 2 studs on top are left for aerials. If you choose, you can just use a regular 1x3 flat tile, but this TV needs some antennas. We can simply set our tabletop television right on top of the stand.